Well, some of the birds are back after that hawk attack. Here they come. Hoping the hawk don't come back. I did scare him away, but they're taking off. Now they're flying like you wouldn't believe. There's about 10 out. And here's my young. Here comes one home. And that's my beautiful one. Glad nothing happened to him. I don't think the hawk hit anything, but I am not sure. We'll check to see. None of these guys are back. Let's see how many of these guys. Well, I got one here. I see them way in the distance flying. Here they come. Try to zoom in. At least they packed together, most of them. We'll see. The other birds seem to be fine, so not sure. The hawk might not be in the area right now. There's 7 right there. And my breeders are out, so here's some of my breeders. In the aviary, there's my young red. Look at the beautiful colors on that one. I've been trying a lot of different color projects. And I'm hoping next year try a couple other projects that I've been working on. Here's my blacks. They want to be fed. I'm just looking around to make sure that the hawk ain't here. Here comes the other birds. Not as easy as you guys think trying to get the pictures or videos of your birds when they're flying. Here they come. Well, we'll see, and I'll let you know what happens. Hopefully it turns out to be a good day. Well, I guess I got some of them that came back so far. Here's one. Some of them are coming back. Go in. Go in. Well, I guess they're not being the smartest. They're actually eating off the ground. You guys should go in. The hawk. Well, hopefully they all come back. I know there was 10 out. I know I had 3 go in, and I count 4 for sure. Not sure where the rest of them are hiding, but wish me luck, guys. Oh, another one just came. There he goes. You better get in too. I know they do like to clean up what the young spills. The young are very sloppy. Look at all that feed. So Snowflake and White Thunder are gonna clean it up. Not worrying about the hawk, I guess. But you better get in. Yeah, I see you looking around. Well, you guys have a good day, and hopefully everything works out for me at Shane's Pigeon Loft. Bye now.